Prada L'homme.
It has this leather thing.
Let's pronounce it first.
Prada L'homme.
Prada L'homme. This fragrance, I have actually used it quite a bit. So the top notes are what?
Neroli, black pepper, cardamom,
Carrot seeds.
carrot.
So we have neroli, cardamom, black pepper, and carrot seeds.
Yeah.
So it should smell a bit spicy.
Wait, what? Carrot seeds is not spicy.
But black pepper and cardamom is. Okay, so the middle notes are iris, violet, geranium, and
Wait, black pepper is spicy?
yes, and mate. The base notes are amber, cedar, patchouli, and sandalwood. So what does it smell like? Okay. Yeah, it smells clean, very clean. Smells watery. It smells light. That's how I smell it. It's a very light, airy smell to me. It's very light. That's one of the reasons I kind of don't like it so much. I mean, I like it, but I don't love it. Yes, it's because it's very light, airy smell. It's very safe. It's not gonna offend anyone. Okay. It's very fresh. It's very powdery. It's very floral. Flowery, like flower smells. Okay. And it also, all of these notes, right? You have a bit of spicy in there, then you have the floral, and then you have the sweet and powdery. It kind of makes it a bit soapy. You understand what I'm saying? Soapy, but it's not a soap that is what you call like a generic soap. It's a very luxurious smelling soap. What about the longevity? I guess it has longevity a bit.
But it's not that good.
Yeah, I mean you can see. I mean I've used it a few times. I haven't used it a lot, but I have used quite a bit because every time I put it on, I put a lot as well. I mean if I put it on in the morning, I could smell it in the evening, but I could smell it in the evening. It's me who is smelling it. Nobody else is smelling it. So sillage is not that good. Maybe a first couple of hours, maybe first 2, 3, 4 hours there is sillage, but then after that it just kind of like just inside here. How do I feel about it? I want to give it, you know what, I want to give it, anyway, the thing is that I don't love it. I like it, but I still give it 8 over 10 because it's such a safe smell and you can just reach
Is
for it.
safe bad?
No, safe is good. Safe is good in the sense that you apply it on, it won't be offended by it. So that's why I rate it at 8 over 10.
Oh.
Okay. And your mommy, I think she rated it at 7 over 10. What about you?
I don't think we smell it.
Let me. Where do you want to put it?
Put it here.
No, not on the card. I'm not do the card things. Okay. If you want to put it. Oh, I wasted it. It smells really good.
Now I can't spell it. After a while I can't spell it. Yeah.
Anyways, I think now that I smell it, I think I'm gonna keep it. I mean, it's always, if you smell something on yourself and then you smell it to somebody else, your view changes.